Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you're going to be learning how to create a YouTube video thumbnail in just few minutes using Capcut. What do you have to do as usual? Make sure you pay attention and watch this video to the end. With that much being said, let's get straight into the video. So all you need is a picture like this and a clear picture of yours that you've taken. For example, stuffs like, you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you so you can understand how this can easily be done, alright? In your Capcut, go to photo and select that photo that you just downloaded, maybe on Chrome or on any browser. Then you also select that picture that you took and add the both in your footage. So this is where the magic happens. You first of all scroll to aspect ratio and turn to 16.9, which is the standard YouTube thumbnail size. After you're done with that, tap on the image, pinch and zoom it to scale it to its canvas. Then you tap on the second image, scroll over to overlay and overlay it. You then move it front and in line with where the first one meets. After you're done with that, tap on that image you just overlaid, scroll over to remove background. Tap on custom removal and go to auto removal and remove the background. It will then look like this. Then you can now adjust the image to the position that's best for you. Sometimes when you remove a background, you can have abscesses like this. I'm going to show you how you can be able to correct that. Under custom removal, you will see brush and you see eraser. The brush is to brush out those parts that you don't want to be erased. Then the eraser is to erase those parts that are not necessary. So this is how you can be able to use that. When you're done, you click on done. Now it's time to add our text. Go to text and click on add text, then you type in your desired text. You can style your text and choose the fonts that you want to use here. So let's say we type in how to get your first 1,000 subscribers fast. And remember, don't add too much text. Too much of everything is never good. The new and easy strategy. I'm going to change these fonts. Then I'm now going to adjust the text so it won't obstruct the image. And note, whenever you're creating a thumbnail, make sure that the text and the image are able to stand out on its own. The image should be able to stand out without obstruction. Same is the text, alright? I think we're almost done. So let's go to adjust and go to HSL. Here, the colors you are going to pick are the ones that are showing in the picture, that are related to the colors in the picture. For example, you can see yellow. Then we also adjust the lightning, and I think that's all. After that, just click on export. Don't forget to also check to know if there's any other adjustment to make. And now your thumbnail is ready. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it was, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Make sure to like this video and comment. Thank you all for watching. I would like to see you in my next video. Bye.